Hi, I'm Andrew Jago. I'm an accountant and business advisor with SRJ Walker Wayland. I'm in the Brisbane office and I've been asked to come up here to the Sunshine Coast to meet Susan Toft from the Laundry Lady. And this is the first time I've met her today. The first thing I noticed is this beautiful pink van. So let's go inside and say hello. Some people walk in here thinking they're going to see a bank of washing machines out there. What's it really like down there?
Yeah, so there is no washing machines. Come and have a look and I'll show you through our warehouse.
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you. What was the thing that made you decide to start the Laundry Lady?
So when I was a new mum and I had been working for a long time in corporate and I wanted to do something where I could be at home with my son and have that flexibility, and so the thought of being in an office environment just wasn't going to work for me anymore. So I became the original laundry lady. I went out and did the laundry and washing and ironing pickups myself from my home to test out what would work. So I did that for a few years, and it was great. I could always get to my son's sports days and pick him up from school and all of those kinds of things.
Hey Susan, one thing that I noticed is that you've been working with SRJ for a little while. How did you meet Katrina, and what was it that happened that made you decide that she was the firm that you wanted to be with?
Yeah, so I actually met Katrina way before I was doing Laundry Lady, when I was working at Caloundra Chamber, and I saw her work along a lot of different businesses. It was a really different type of accounting firm that could really work with you, and when I got to that stage of my business, I knew that I needed someone like Katrina to work with, and she really helped me to work out how to structure the business to become a company and all of the corporate structures around the entity, which I think is super important when you're starting out, and I wish I had have known 10 years ago.
Yeah, absolutely.
We do tax and compliance at SRJ Walker Wayland, but our main focus is advisory. We offer a range of services similar to an external CFO, looking at your cash flows, your budgets, your forecasts, strategic planning. We also offer a range of services such as grants, R&D work. Along with that, we train staff. We look at your business as a whole, as well as your personal life.
With our client base, we always love working with a team and collaborating to achieve their goals. And Susan in herself has started this business from scratch. So through that, we've been through a lot of different phases and done a lot of work with her on a lot of different levels, because we do take a holistic approach.
Hey Susan, one thing I noticed is that you won the Telstra Business Woman of the Year award. How did that feel to get that?
Yeah, it was super exciting to be in such a big program and recognised 2 years in a row. First year for Accelerating Women, and then the second year for Outstanding Growth. Just showing how much our business has grown in that time has been really amazing to have that accolade.
So one of our main focuses is advisory, where we actually have dedicated people that are working in that space, because we know how important it is to businesses these days. They don't want just one meeting a year for tax and compliance. They want to be part of a team or have a team working with them to help them on all different levels, like expanding overseas, employing different staff, or implementing different digital platforms. All of those things can be brought into the 1 month catch-ups and reviewing cash flows to see how that sort of pans out for her and the business.
And we like to work with business owners to help them with financial literacy, so they can understand their profit and loss and their balance sheets and what these things mean to them and their business and their bottom line. Imagine accountants that have your back.
We do show up for you, and one of our main values is growing people and growing businesses.